What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are all doing well. I know the weather's getting a lot warmer outside and I've got a ton of stuff I need to review down here in the studio and I'm loving every minute of it. Now, for the longest time, I've been using my VideoMic Pro Plus down here in the studio. And although this is a great on-camera microphone, it just really isn't cutting it for me down here in the studio as far as a studio quality microphone. So I went out and I bought 4 brand new studio microphones and I'm gonna test them all out to see which one would be the best fit for me down here, starting with the RODE NTG microphone. Now, before we get started, if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe, and only if you guys end up liking this video, please make sure you guys destroy that like button for me. RODE came out with the NTG microphone less than 6 months ago. It comes in at $249, which is priced higher than a lot of the USB microphones out there, but definitely still cheaper when it comes to pricing for professional grade microphones. It's a shotgun microphone designed to record directional audio in any scenario, whether you guys are outside or inside, while it's connected to your camera or your mobile device. The design of the microphone looks far superior than any other microphone I've owned or tested from RODE so far. The mic comes in at just under 7 inches in length and weighs about 3 ounces, making it a perfect addition to your camera setup. With the microphone, you also get a lightweight red shock mount with cable threading clamps that connect to your camera through the cold shoe mount. It also has an adjustable sliding rail that allows you to move the body of the mic backward and forward. Now, RODE claims that the 24-bit 48 kHz audio with this microphone compares to the RODE NTG 5, which I'm definitely going to have to test out for myself, because at that point, you'd be getting a $500 microphone for half the price. When you get to the back of the microphone, you have a few different controls. You have a button to control the high-pass filter with a 75 or 150 Hz cutoff, with an LED light to let you know which one of them has been selected. You can also select if you would like to record at a -20 decibel for certain situations where your audio may peak higher than normal because of your surroundings. If you guys plan on connecting headphones to this microphone, it also has a circular dial at the end, which you can tune between a level of 1 and 15. Along with the shock mount, you also get a foam windshield, a USB cable, and a SC10 cable. One thing I absolutely love about this microphone is how much of a studio grade sound quality you get as soon as you plug it in. You don't have to go into any software, adjust any settings, set anything up. You literally just plug it into your camera and you're ready to go. It's super easy to use the RODE NTG microphone, whether you guys are connecting it to your PC via USB or whether you guys are connecting it to your DSLR camera or mobile device via the 3.5mm audio jack. Since this RODE NTG microphone is portable, you also get an internal battery with up to 30 hours of battery life. The microphone also, when connected to your camera, turns on and off with your camera, so you guys don't have to worry about turning off your camera and forgetting to turn off your microphone and the battery dying on it, which is definitely super cool, especially in those longer filming sessions. Now, I know I mentioned since this is a shotgun microphone, it captures mostly all directional audio and blocks out audio from behind you and on the sides. But how does it compare to the VideoMic Pro Plus in a studio setting? Let's find out. Alright guys, so this is what the VideoMic Pro Plus sounds like down here in the studio with the gain set to half. Now this is what the RODE NTG microphone sounds like down here in the studio. Once again, this is what the VideoMic Pro Plus sounds like with the gain set to half. Once again, this is what the RODE NTG microphone sounds like down here in the studio. As you guys can tell, the RODE NTG sounds amazing when compared to the VideoMic Pro Plus. I know it sounds amazing because I've been testing it out down here in the studio for the past couple of days. Now, we will compare this guy to the other microphones I bought here in the next couple of weeks, probably most likely in the next week, but I definitely wanted to give this guy an honest review right out of the box to see how it would compare versus the $300 VideoMic Pro Plus that I've been using down here for the past year. In my conclusion, I definitely feel that this mic is worth the $250 price tag, seeing how it sounds better than the VideoMic Pro Plus I've been using for the past year down here that I spent $300 for when I initially bought it. Which reminds me, if you guys would like to purchase this guy and support the channel at the same time with no extra cost to you guys, I will leave Amazon affiliate links down below in the description for you guys. Thank you guys so much for using those. You guys have been using them like crazy. I know I keep saying it, but I'm just so thankful that you guys keep using them and supporting the channel. It makes me do all of this stuff and more for you guys. By the way, another giveaway coming soon, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Whether you guys are in a studio or outside, if you guys plan on doing video recording and need a higher end microphone feel for a price that doesn't break the bank like the much more expensive microphones out there, the RODE NTG is a solid option for you guys. That's gonna wrap it up, guys, for the RODE NTG microphone. If you guys did end up enjoying this video, please make sure you guys destroy that like button for me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.